Hello, my dear students. Let us take the another chapter of our grammar book, that is making posters. It is quite interesting one, very easy, gives you ample space to use your imagination, your creativity. You would be happy to make posters, I'm sure. So, how do we make posters? A poster, what is a poster? First of all, a poster is a large notice often with a picture on it. You have already done notices, but notices doesn't contain picture like that. It is not colorful also. So poster often has pictures on it, that is put on the public places to advertise something or to educate people about the important issues. Notices are for closed circuit like school notice board, office notice board, but posters are used to put on public places. There are so many reasons we make posters: to advertise something or to educate people. Let us study a poster for school feet. Feet means fair. First of all, they have made feet, feet, feet. It is made attractive, as you can see. Then the name of school in bold letter, Rachna Public School, Ambala. Now the complete detail is there, just like we give in notices. Feet 2011. You can make it 2020. Sunday 3rd October 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. So you have to change these details of date and day. Entry for ticket holders only. Lots of entertainment. Now what are the attractive features? Joy rides, song and dance, game of chance, magic mirror and prizes to win. Then loads of eatables, chaat, golgappas, pizzas, hamburgers, noodles, cold drinks and much more. So you can include your favorite delicacies in all these much more, right? Now, what is the instructions? Don't throw away your tickets. Keep them for your lucky draw. First of all, they said that entry for ticket holders, and these tickets are beneficial for you to be kept to win lucky draw. You may win a TV, a fridge, a music system and a bicycle. You can also change according to yours, like PS3 and all that. Tickets can be had from student, staff or school office. So the entire information is given, but in a very attractive manner. Here you can see some swings are there. This boy is horse riding. This is also having a trophy. Here also the picture of eatables. So they have made it quite attractive, right? Now what are the important points? A poster is meant to be seen and read by people. A good poster should have these following features. What are these? It should be attractive, so it should attract people. People should like to read it, means you have to attract them. The words used should be catchy. They should understand it, that means don't make it quite weird. It should be in the language which could be understood by everyone. After reading, they should be able to remember and recall. That means use catchy phrases so that it will keep ringing in their mind. They should want to do something about it. See, if it is a fair or feat, they want to go to it, join it. If it is about some hobby classes like advertisement, so they want to join it. So many things. It should be attractive. It should make something in their mind that yes, they should take part in it. These are some exercises. Before that, they say, so in a poster, the text, the layout, the pictures, the slogans, all are very important. And don't forget the name of organization. Like in the previous one, Rachna Public School was there. Let us do the exercise. Your school has decided that children should not explode firecrackers during Diwali for the following reasons. We always do so, right? In our school, we collect money from the fire, which we save for not exploding firecrackers and donate them for good causes. The same. First of all, you will mention the name of school. Then you will make the pictures of firecrackers and put a cross on them. Then you will make slogans that they cause air and noise pollution. They result in serious accidents like fires and other injuries to children and others. They are a wasteful expenditure. So you have to make all these things quite catchy and tell them to instead donate the money for the social causes, right? Then the second one is work in group or prepare suitable posters to be displayed in the school and other parts of your locality to educate children and parents. You can give any name to the campaign. One of them can be say no to firecrackers on Diwali. So this is quite same, right? Third one, your school has decided to celebrate the Children's Day, that is 14th November, as Children or Child Literacy Day. It should be celebrated as Child Literacy Day, as we know that millions of people never go to school. Now you have to make posters. Ignore this line, work in group and prepare. No, you have to prepare it to highlight the need for educating every child in the country. You can use these points. Millions of children never go to school. Millions among those who go drop out and never complete their education. Drop out means to leave their study in between and never complete it. Cause of poverty, unemployment, crime, slow progress. These are all cause of not educating children properly. If the child is not educated, it will lead to poverty, unemployment, crime, and slow progress of our country. This must stop. All children must go to school. All must get good education. Open more schools with all facilities. So here you can use Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan. Then you can say midday meal program is run by government to make sure that no child, no students remain empty stomach. This also attract poor students to go study and then have a meal, right? Then the next one is your school is celebrating the International Women's Day, which falls on 8th March as the Girl Child Day. Now Women's Day should be celebrated as the Girl Child Day. You have to make a poster highlighting how girls are discriminated against in India and that this discrimination must end. You can use these ideas. The girl considered as burden on family, treated as inferior to boys, their education and health neglected. Now this is unjust and unfair. Girl must be treated as equals and given freedom and fair treatment. I know you all will do very good job, right? So please make all these 4 posters I have explained you. In case of any queries, you can contact us. Thank you.